19. Version 2 Increasing the price of petrol is the best way to solve growing traffic and pollution problems. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Opinions are divided on whether raising prices on petrol is the optimal answer to traffic congestion and environmental pollution. While this approach seems reasonable in theory, it is by no means the best way there is to resolve these problems. One might argue that raising petrol prices could reduce congestion, and by extension air pollution. This is because users of private means of transport, especially money-conscious ones, might avoid taking unnecessary trips in order to save money, thereby easing traffic congestion. According to this theory, the discharge of CO2 and other toxic pollutants from personal vehicles would also be curbed, potentially addressing the problem of air pollution. Therefore, theoretically, increasing fuel prices could solve both congestion and pollution problems. However, this theory does not stand up to scrutiny. In fact, recent petrol price increases have hardly affected any discernible changes to the status quo of traffic and pollution problems. The reason for this is that people would be willing to pay more to use their personal vehicles rather than public transport due to the former's superior flexibility. Given this, it is reasonable to say that increasing fuel prices would be futile in addressing traffic congestion and pollution. Since low flexibility is the key reason for the low usage of public transport, the state should invest in means of public transport that are both energy efficient and not road-based, such as sky trains and subways, to make them more widely available and accessible. As a result, people can travel conveniently and without causing congestion, while reducing their carbon footprints. In conclusion, raising fuel prices would not be an effective approach to alleviate pollution and growing traffic. Instead, governments should allocate more funding to developing modern means of public transport.